Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Domestic Tech Guide, where we teach you how to do repairs of the simple basic things in your home. Today we are going to look at a TV set that has no picture but has sound, and we see how to rectify that problem. Let's get into it. This is our TV set, as you can see. Let's power it on. We have connected our USB device. The picture is usually faint. If you get a torch and look closely, you can see something, but which is not very clear. Actually, the picture is always dim, and no matter how you increase the brightness, you will not be able to see anything. That shows that we have to open the TV set to find out why. Okay, well, let's switch off our TV. Make sure your surface where you're placing your TV screen is clean and free of any objects that can damage the screen. You keep your screws somewhere safe where you won't lose them. Let's detach this fiber here, put it aside and see. Let me connect back the TV board to power. I switch on my power. And I get my multimeter to test to find out what the problem is. Now the fact that we have audio on our TV set means that the main board is okay, the power supply board is fine, but we don't have a picture. There are two options that we usually look at. One is the LED driver. The LED driver is the circuit that supplies the voltage to the LED lights inside here. So we're going to measure to see if there is power going to the LED light. Put our meter into the DC voltage. We're going to put our negative terminal of the meter there. And we're going to put our positive terminal of the meter here. So we have 215 volts DC. So if we're having our voltage here, it means our LED driver is fine. Our next diagnosis is going to be on the LED lights themselves. So let's open it up. This is a dangerous part of the power board. It's very dangerous, so you need to be very careful. This is a screen. You have to put it in a very safe place. These are diffusers. Without them, your light will not be evenly distributed alongside the screen. So these are our LED lights. So you're going to see if they have a problem. Let's connect our power back. These are our LED lights. This one just fell off. It goes on top of this one. This one is working, as you can see, it's lighting. There are many which are not working. This one is dead. This one is dead. Another one which is working. This one is working. This one is working. I know you may be wondering why some are different. This TV has been repaired before. The person who repaired it changed some of the LEDs, so we're also going to change others that are not good and replace them with working ones.
Hello, madam. Yes, madam.
We're going to remove this one. We have identified it as our faulty light, so we're going to remove it and replace it with another one. So there you go. Our lights are now back on. From there, we can close our TV. Okay, now we can connect our TV and test it to see if it works. And yes, there you go. Our TV is fine. We're going to put a picture. We're going to put our USB drive and test our signal. So there you go. Our TV is now fine. Alright guys, thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Domestic Tech Guide. And if you have any questions, go down to the comment section below. We shall answer them. If you want any video on how to repair anything, we shall be ready to receive it. Thank you for watching.